Alright, Bird Cup. About to roll up. Well, shit, we already got it rolled up. About to spark this blunt and watch. Some of these videos suggested by somebody in my DMs, they say check out the Kruger sightings. Watch the animal fights. So let's check out this joint. It's titled Hyena Tries Drowning Rival. Let's see what's going on, bro. Hold on real quick. Oh, biting the bullshit out of her, bruh. She biting the shit out of her, bruh. Dunk, dunk, dunk. Like, get the fuck off me, bro. What you trying to do, bro? Just get out this water. Yo, she like, nah, nigga, we in the water, bro. Oh, shit, bruh. Yo, don't let her put you in the water, bruh. She biting the fuck out your neck. You see them teeth, bruh? The fuck, bruh? Yo, those teeth is stupid teeth, bruh. Yo, let her go, bruh. Yo, bruh, she like, let me get on land, bruh. Yeah, bite her ass back, bruh. Bite her back, bruh. Fuck that, bruh. Yo, she really trying to get you in the water, yo. Yo, let her get out the water, bruh. Yo, don't just, you can't do nothing, bruh. You really can't move around. Don't go in no more into the water. Yeah, go ahead, get up. Yo, yo, she dunking you, bruh. That's right. Go ahead, get up on it. Oh, she ain't trying to let you up there. What you doing, bruh? Yo, let her get on land, bruh, so y'all can fight, bruh. She dunking you, bruh. Yo, get out the water, bruh. Don't be. Yo, you about to die, bruh. Yo, 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 bruh. Yo, yo, she really trying to drown you, bruh. Come on, bruh. Yo, yo, what is you doing, yo? You gotta do more than that. Go to land, bruh. Oh, she dunking you, bruh. Don't let yo, bruh. Yo, bruh. Yo, bruh, she getting you, bruh. Yo, get your nostrils out the water. Yo, she really trying to drown you, bruh. Yo, is animals this smart, bruh? Yo, come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Yo, bruh, you keep going under, bruh. Yo, she tiring you out, bruh. Yo, I'll be like, yo, stop biting my fucking head, bruh. Yo, she biting you right on your head, bro. You can't do shit. Oh, shit, bro. She keep trying to push you under. Yo, you gotta get loose, bruh. Yeah, but those teeth, bruh. Alright, you on land? Get on land, bruh. Get up there. Get on land. That's right, get on land. Fuck that. Snap out, bruh. Snap out, bruh. Come on, bruh. Snap the fuck out, bruh. Yeah, that's right. Bite her ass back. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. She got your fucking head, bruh. Oh, she let go, bruh. Oh, is she still got you from back there? That's right. Get that ass. Get that ass, bruh. Don't let her breathe, bruh. What you doing? Fight that ass back, yo. Yo, nah, yo. You don't let her get the fuck away, bruh. Oh, what you trying to do? You just trying to run, bruh? Nah, bruh. You don't try to run, bruh. You try to murder her. She's still on you. Look. Get that ass, bruh. Get her. Get her. Yeah, get that ass, bruh. Come on, bruh. What is you doing? What are you doing? Get her. Come up there. Oh, bruh. sitting there whippering, bruh. Go chase her, bruh. Go down there and chase that ass. Oh, you just all fucked up. She fucked you up like that, bruh. Damn, bruh. Look at your head, bruh. She scalped you. Damn, bruh. Yo, you looking sad as shit, bruh. You looking sad as shit right now. After 2 hours, the filmmaker left, but she saw 3 hyenas come and approach the injured one. They did, in fact, end its life. Yo, bro, bro. I hope you ain't just sit there in the fucking water and scream till they came and got you, bro. You loud as fuck. You call who you screaming for? Hey, you need to go somewhere, bro. Heal your wounds, bro. You just damn near got drowned, bro. Don't sit there and scream for nigga. Ain't nobody coming, bro. Yo, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy, bro. Yo, you just try to drown her straight up and down. Straight up and down to try to drown her, bro. That's crazy, bro. Yo, I'm gonna let y'all next time, bro. Shit, bro. That's crazy.